So this is the progress I've made so far on the duck coop. As you can see, this brown piece is the fixed section of the roof. There's a gap there with a screen glued in place with caulk. That'll turn clear when it dries. This allows airflow through the coop. There'll be a ridge cap that covers that up so you won't see it, and it still allow airflow when the coop is closed up. The shiplap I made in the shop, it's called 105 shiplap or colonial shiplap. Just made those individual boards and glued them together, and then that section got glued and screwed onto the coop itself. The rest of the roof below that will follow along the slope of the roof will be hinged so that it can flip up and open on both sides, where you can remove the side panels there to get in and clean the coop without having to strain.